Hey, look at this. Birds are flying. Things is happening. Oh, life is good here. Along those lines, I started a pole barn the other day, and then I took a day or two off to fix Bush's bolt, and then it was a rainy day in there, and then there was a church day, and a Super Bowl day. No, Super Bowl day and church day, it was the same day. Anyway, with all that done behind us, see if I can get y'all to settle in here while I do important things. I'm gonna get out there and pull down all the wood I put up on the pole barn. Brace it up while I was pouring concrete around the legs. Then we'll be able to start the process of putting up some rafters and things like that. Oh, it's gonna be a good day. I can feel it in my bones. Bless my heart. Bless your heart too if you got one. Whee. Let's see now, I'm going to want me some gloves. Here's some. I ain't cleaned up my mess from working on Butch's carburetor very good so far. Oh, and I need to talk to you all about my Snapper Comet pull cord thingy, but I ain't going to get to that yet. I'm going to walk away from that until I reach a point where I'm ready to discuss that some more. What I do with my gloves now? There's one back here. Is that a right and a left? Yep, that's a left and a right and a right. You hate it when you get two right-handed gloves. Does that ever happen to y'all?
Okay, gloves. Here they are. On the lawnmower. Okay.
So I put up all these boards to kind of hold everything in place while I was working on everything. And now that everything is cemented into the ground, we can go from there. Now, my friend, my neighbor Wendell came by, and he was talking about these poles being cemented in the ground, and he said, you know, they'll rot that way. And I said, well, they'll rot that way if you don't put any gravel under them, because it means the water will creep up inside the centers of them. And I showed him, and talked to him about where I'd put gravel in there, and he said, I should have done that when I did them up yonder. You may remember we got a big building up the road, and the legs is rotting out. Wendell built that. He didn't know then, but they didn't put enough pressure treatment in that wood to keep them good if they was in the dirt. They used to, but then they stopped because of environmental reasons. Anyway, here we go. We just got much pile of wood here. Okay then, that's your basic pole barn structure right there.